I think it's actually good waking up early. My dad always taught me, the morning bird gets the worm kind of thing. My parents have done a lot for us. They've seen a lot of struggles and put it on a platter for us to kind of take it to the next level. My name is Matab Khan and I'm the owner of IGA Pitt. I think the biggest thing is just to have consistency to our local customers. They rely on us. We're always there. We work hard with our suppliers to make sure we're always in stock. The customer is always looked after. We want it to be more. My brother has big plans, especially with Christmas coming around, to light up this place. The good thing about the town is that they're very supportive of their people. So we support the schools, sports clubs. That kind of loyalty has always remained. We've got to do our best every day in order to see the next sunrise.
Where is your brother?
He's working.
This has been another production from the one and only Bowen's Garage, right across Australia.